I'm about to answer every single question you have about data analyst courses and certifications. Welcome back to Data Analyst Office Hours, where we tackle any and all questions that aspiring and early career analysts have. And today, we're taking a deep dive into courses and certifications. So there is a lot to unpack on this topic. First, I want to emphasize the very important difference between a certification and a certificate of completion. A certification is a formal credential that you are awarded after you take a standardized test that proves you can do a certain job. A certificate of completion is a piece of paper that says you completed a course. There is no data analysis authority that says you must complete X, Y, and Z requirements in order to become a data analyst. And therefore, there is no such thing as a data analyst certification. If you took a course and you got a piece of paper at the end, you have a certificate of completion, not a certification. So in short, you do not need a certification to become a data analyst because there's no such thing. Now, there are certifications that you can get from product manufacturers who can certify that you know how to use their product. For example, Power BI was created by Microsoft. So you can take an exam called the PL300 exam and get certified by Microsoft to use Power BI. Other product manufacturers like Salesforce, Oracle, Azure, AWS, etc., all offer certifications for their specific products. They are not certifying you to be a data analyst. They are certifying you to use their product. Okay, now let's talk about data analyst courses. I have taken so many data analyst courses that I feel like I could probably teach a course on courses. After taking a million different courses, I can confidently say that there is no course that is significantly better than the rest. If you choose to take an online course, there are three things that I think you should consider. First, I think you should think about what type of learning experience you want. For me, I really like courses that include lots of practice problems and projects. I like to be able to write code right within the browser, and I like the course to be more interactive than just watching videos on YouTube. I also think you should consider where you're starting from. Some courses are a little more advanced than others, so you need to make sure that you're taking a course that's going to meet you where you're at. Lastly, you should think about if you want to take a general data analytics course that's going to teach you multiple skills, or a specialized course that's going to help you really understand just one tool in depth. So again, whichever course you choose to take should really depend on your personal situation, but I will give some general advice. Most people who want to take a data analyst course are looking for something that is comprehensive, interactive, and beginner friendly. If that's you, I would probably recommend the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This is not a sponsored post. I just think that their course is probably what most people are looking for in terms of a comprehensive, beginner friendly course. If you want some more personalized advice, I'm working on building a quiz that's going to help you determine which data analytics course is right for you based on your personal situation and goals. So be on the lookout for that. I hope this video was helpful. Drop any questions you have in the comments and make sure to follow for more.